Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for honest reviews and recommendations on the latest products. Today, we're diving into a fantastic find that every crafter and beauty enthusiast will want to add to their collection: the best flat-back pearls and rhinestones for crafts. This kit features a stunning array of flat-back rhinestones and pearls that can elevate your nail art, makeup, and DIY projects to a whole new level. The kit includes a mix of round glass crystal rhinestones, available in crystal AB and transparent white, alongside beautiful white and beige pearls. Let's explore what makes this product stand out. First, let's talk about the components. The kit contains 6 sizes of flat-back round crystal rhinestones ranging from 1.5mm to 6mm. That means whether you're going for a subtle sparkle or a bold statement, you'll have the perfect size for your project. The rhinestones are iridescent, catching the light beautifully, making them ideal for both casual looks and glamorous events. In addition to the rhinestones, you get 5 sizes of half-round white and beige pearls, from 2.5mm to 8mm. These pearls add an elegant touch to your designs and are perfect for any occasion, whether it's a wedding, party, or just a fun night out. The variety in sizes ensures you have options for every creative vision you might have. Now, let's discuss versatility. This set is perfect for a wide range of applications. It's not just for nails. You can use these gems to enhance your face makeup or create stunning body art. They're fantastic for decorating jewelry, wedding dresses, shoes, and even personal items like phone cases and bags. The possibilities are endless. Included in the kit is a quick-dry makeup glue designed specifically for adhering the gems to your skin or nails, ensuring they stay put all day long. This glue is user-friendly and dries clear, so you don't have to worry about any mess. You'll also find a picker pencil and a tweezer in the box, which are essential tools for placing your rhinestones and pearls with precision. Using the picker pencil is a game-changer. It makes picking up and placing those tiny gems a breeze. The tweezer is perfect for larger beads, allowing you to position them exactly where you want them without the hassle. Together, these tools make your crafting experience smooth and enjoyable. As you can see, the flat-back pearls and rhinestones can transform simple designs into eye-catching masterpieces. Whether you're a professional nail technician or just starting in the world of beauty and crafts, this kit provides everything you need to get creative. Now, if you're wondering about the quality of these gems, I can assure you that the rhinestones and pearls are made from high-quality materials, giving you a beautiful finish that is both durable and stunning. So, if you're looking to add a touch of sparkle to your life, I highly recommend checking out this flat-back pearls and rhinestones kit. It's truly a must-have for any craft enthusiast or makeup lover. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay updated on our latest product reviews. Share your thoughts in the comments below and let us know how you would use these fabulous gems. Thanks for watching Product Critique, and happy crafting!